So today we've got a great little drill that you can do when you're on the range next practicing. This is just a little bit different from just pure instruction. This is going to get you dialed in a little bit to being aware of start direction of the shot, does the ball curve back to target, and centerness of strike. So quite simply, for every shot you hit, you're going to give yourself 3 points. Now you're going to get 1 point if you started the ball in the correct place. So for me, I hit a little bit of a draw shot, so I'm looking to just start the ball a hair right of target. That gives you 1 point. Second point you get is if the golf ball, when it starts to curve, as it should do on a draw shot, would then curve back towards the target. Okay, that'll give you a second point. And if the strike's centered and you've hit it remotely near the middle of the club and you like the strike, give yourself that third point. And do it over, say, 10 balls and just mark it down, but put it on your notes on your phone of the 10 shots, how many points you got. Next time you're at the driving range, have a little go, see if you can better it. So let's see how we do. So I've got a 6-iron here. I've got the target line set up. I'm looking to try and start it a hair right, draw it back with a centered strike. So definitely started right. I've drawn it back to the target, maybe a touch of an overdraw. It's pretty good. Trackman says 24 foot left with a 6-iron. I'll take that. Caught it a little bit off the toe, so I'm only going to give myself 2 points for that one. The strike wasn't quite right. So let's have another go for you, see if we can do it. So remember, you've got to be pretty stringent when you do it. It'll just also really get you focused into the idea of where it's starting. You might even want to, like I've done here, put a stick or a club on the ground to mark off your target line. Let's try another one, see if we can get 3 out of 3. So need to start it a hair right, little baby draw, back to target, centered hit. That's a better one. Started a little more to the right, drew back, better off the face. What's Trackman saying on that one? Okay, he's telling me 8 foot left. I'll give myself 3 points for that one. So this is a really, really good exercise. It'll get you dialed into your ball flight. So remember, 1 point if you start it online, 2 points if it then curves back to target, 3 points for a centered strike.